Hey, you see that? They're alive! See? Look at his little nose! What? Aw, hey friend. Welcome to your new home. You're gonna love it here! Aw, rat besties! Says who? We're good alone. But do you like a little comfort? Not if it's pink. This is way cuter. Aw, come on. Are you insane? Get your pink junk out of here! Don't touch me! Hey, stop it! No! Look what you've done! What's going on? Whoa, check it out! Hey, up there. Looks like we're doing some decorating. Nice. I'm down with that. I'm gonna win, too. Cute. Yeah, whatever. Hey! Aww. What's that now? Paint the house? I can do that. I have the perfect hue, too. Bubblegum pink to the rescue! I'm exhausted already. It's just too much. Now what do I do? Maybe spilling is the way to go. Who needs a paintbrush, am I right? Just look at it ooze. Pretty efficient, I think. I did it! Pretty good. Wait, you painted the whole house already? Even the stairs? I haven't even started. Let's see. I've got a plan. Strut up, baby. Just look at that texture. I bet your paint can't do that. Black and chic. Well, who wins? Yeah, what do you think? Looks like we both won that round. Now what? The roof? Challenge accepted! I've got just the thing. See? It's perfect. I heart this plan. And you will too. Trust me. Ta-da! Now for a little pink. Outlined with some red. It really pops, right? That's why I made a bunch of them! It's roofing time! Just one on top of the other. Wow! Loves it! Ooh, hey there! You made it! Are those for me? What a sweetheart! They'll go perfect in my new house. Thank you! Ugh, gag me. Ugh. There's no room for love around here! Romance be gone! Like my soul. Aww! Honey? For me? I shouldn't have. And they're exactly what I needed. And when you string them all together, you get the perfect ring of flowers. Just look how perfect it fits here. Now that's what I call chic. My one true love! How'd we do? I'm heartbroken. What do you think? I don't think they're too pleased. What? Seriously? This is so lame! You are! What now? Windows? I'm seeing clearly now. Ouch! That hurt. I can use these. Colored pencils for the win! Ha! Cute and little. See? This is gonna be so good! When it comes to window treatments, it's good to think outside the pencil box. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh yeah, come to mama. So delicious. Oh no! My chocolate! Actually, I can use this. Just a square window? I can do this. Nice cut. And these guys can come out. Look familiar? I'm thinking windows, duh. Ugh, whatever. Hey! Do you mind? Keep to your side. Oh yeah? You think you're clever? Jeez. Time's almost up. This looks good, right? Perfect. Time's nearly out. I have to stick these on. Look at those beautiful straight lines. Isn't it beautiful? So unique. You mean basic? Unlike mine. What do you guys think? Really? We both won. I knew it. Almost. Got it! Ugh! What happened? Did I fall? Jeez. Wow, so sparkly. Let there be light. Wait. I have the best idea. See that glow? Wow. You can string them through. Then wrap the rest up inside. So sweet. Now this is what I call a glow-up. Aren't they darling? Yay! That looks so good! What am I gonna do? Oh, the answer's right on my ears. Just add a little light. And roll it up. And you've got yourself a little chandelier. But a little glitter could help. Ready, set, light! Isn't it so gorgeous? It's just the right fit. Hauntingly beautiful. See? Huh? Yes! He likes it! What about you? Yes! And that's how it's done. Night-night. Oh, this is so soft. Total cuddling material. In fact, I have a great idea. But first, we roll, then twist, then tuck. Then you end up with a little bed. See? So cozy. I even have a pillow. Is there anything cozier? Ugh, nothing fits. So annoying. Oh, what's under here anyway? An old box? Wait, there's stuff in here. Well, not anymore. This is all I need. That and some perfect purple. Brings the old cardboard to life. Isn't painting so satisfying? I think so. Cutouts make all the difference. Can you see it yet? All the pieces fit like a puzzle. A cozy bed puzzle. What? A purple bow? Where does she get all that? I know. Yep, looking good. Now. Smooth. Hey, I dropped something. I got it. So do I. Wait! I found him! What'd you do? Don't look at me. So gullible. All fixed. Behold the perfect bedroom. Can't forget the armoire. Fully furnished. Who this? Wow! Annoying. But at least I have this. Cozy blankets too, of course. Now we're talking. Do you like? Huh? Awesome! Am I? That's right. Wow, look! It's mine! Ow! Your big head got in my way! Now it's in their way! Wanna see the perfect ring? Isn't it gorgeous? Just look at this thing! Ooh. Oops! Oh, I ruined the box. Or did I? Watch this! This box is about to have a new life. See? It's a table now! A pretty pink table! Yay! It's just perfect! I have to make a table? Out of what? Oh, cookies. Now hold on. I see a bunch of them. This isn't bad. It's actually kinda great. What? That table's gonna fall, but I can fix that. You're welcome. Thanks. Oh no! Oh boy. Nothing I can't fix. It just needs a little adjustment. See? Wow, thank you! All good. Forget the wall. Sharing's cool, I guess. We are neighbors after all. Look! Look! We did it! Friends forever! Come here, guys. Over here! Welcome home! I hope you like it. I made everything just for you. Wait, be gentle with that thing. Oh boy! Nice windows, aren't they? Come here. All this is just for you. Tasty table, right? Enjoy! He really loves it! Thanks to you! And me too! Friendship power!